May chance pa po ba yung prosecution to amend the information, the charge?
They will have to go to the entire process kasi naka-plead na kami.
So kung naka-plead na kayo,
I-dismiss nila to, then they will file another charge if they want to amend it.
pero hindi na pwede yung same charge.
Hindi na pwede kasi if they're going to amend it by making it into another charge or adding allegations, magpi-preliminary investigation pa ulit kami.
Bawal na po yung electoral sabotage. Dahil double jeopardy na.
Hindi,
Tama po ba?
if they're going to amend it, they're going to have to amend it by adding or subtracting allegations or by filing an entirely new charge. In which case, kailangan mag-preliminary investigation ulit yan under the rules.
Back to zero.
Kasi under the due process clause, back to zero kami kasi iibahin nila yung charge. Hindi naman kami nakasagot doon during the preliminary investigation stage, di ba? Magpe-preliminary investigation.
So pwede pa siyang kasuhan ng electoral sabotage kung sakaling i-amend nila, i-refile.
Hindi, maybe another provision of the Omnibus Election Code containing the same elements but adding other elements or subtracting some elements para maging ibang krimen.
Kasi po, di ba nasabi ninyo na flimsy yung charge? Paano pong flimsy? Ano pong to?
Well, based on the quality of the evidence, may hearsay, bago merong isang tao lang naman na nagsasabi. So under the res inter alios acta rule, dapat nga hindi pinansin yun. Kanya lang, politically charged itong kasong ito. It's not on your ordinary criminal case. May halong politika ito. Malaki ang political dimension itong kasong ito.